Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Hyundai Accent battery. Before starting, prioritize safety by wearing protective eyewear and gloves. Make sure your vehicle is completely turned off and the parking brake is engaged. The battery is usually located under the hood, often on the passenger side, ready for access. Now, let's disconnect the terminals. Grab a 10mm wrench and loosen the nut on the negative terminal. It's crucial to remove the negative cable first to avoid any accidental electrical shorts. Once that's off, proceed to loosen and carefully detach the positive terminal cable. This order is essential for your safety. With the cables disconnected, it's time to address the battery hold down. Look for the clamp or strap securing the battery to its tray, usually at the base. You'll typically need a 13mm socket to loosen the bolt. Once loosened, carefully remove the entire hold-down mechanism, freeing the battery from its position. Finally, it's time to lift out the old battery. Use the integrated handles if available, or grasp the sides firmly. Lift the battery straight up and out of the engine bay, being mindful of its weight. A standard car battery can weigh anywhere from 30 to 40 pounds, so lift with your legs, not your back, to prevent injury.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.